Today, I'll walk you through how to fix the Snapchat dark mode option not showing, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to access dark mode on Snapchat so you can enjoy a more comfortable viewing experience. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. This is where all the magic happens, and it's the first step in resolving your issue. Next, click on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page, where you can access various settings and features. Once you're on your profile page, look for the settings gear icon in the top right corner and click on it. This will open the settings menu where you can adjust your preferences. Now scroll down until you see the Help Center option. This section is a great resource for troubleshooting any issues you might encounter. When you tap on Help Center, an AI chatbot will appear. You can inquire there about the dark mode concern. Simply type in your question, and the bot will provide you with relevant information and potential solutions. If the dark mode option still isn't showing, don't worry. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. You can also clear the Snapchat cache through your phone's settings. This can help resolve any lingering issues that might be causing the problem. Additionally, make sure that your Snapchat app is updated to the latest version from the Play Store or App Store. Sometimes, simply updating the app can fix missing features like dark mode. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Snapchat dark mode option not showing. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.